Hello. Welcome to another daily t-shirt design tutorial. My name is David Osamuje. I'm the founder and owner of What a T-shirt Design. Yes, this is the YouTube channel you're watching, and I release daily t-shirt design video, daily Canva t-shirt design video. You also get some bit of Photoshop t-shirt design video. If this is something you want to learn, if this is something you want to make money from doing it, make money selling t-shirts or print on demand on sites like Redbubble, Public, Match by Amazon, then you will want to subscribe, like and share the video and channel, and make sure you always stay tuned every single day because t-shirt design videos will be coming out every single day. And yes, I want to tell you from the beginning, if you are here to learn, please don't click off of the video until after stage 3. After stage 3, everything comes the way you want it. So if you want to learn, don't click off until after stage 3. My designs are always 4 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and the final stage. So if you want to learn, make sure you stick around to the end or max to the end of stage 3. So without wasting much of your time, let's open Canva t-shirt. Let's open canva.com. So open canva.com. As you can see, our design should not take us more than 10 to 15 minutes, so please just sacrifice 10 to 15 minutes of your time to get this inspiration for a design, and you can use that to create your own design for print on demand site to make passive income. So without wasting much of your time, let's open canva.com. So this is canva.com, is loading. So now you go to create design, standard, custom dimensions. The standard is 4500 by 4500. So this is the standard pixel. Create. It's gonna open a new tab. As you can see, it's opening in a new tab. Then when it's done opening, you all just scroll down to where it says upload. Then you upload. It's gonna, then you click on upload an image or a video. If you've been following my videos, so you understand this super well. So now we just look for our design. This is it. So I'll just click and OK. It's going to load here. When it's loading here, we'll click once for it to appear here. I did this design myself. I made this design myself. So if you have problem designing, or you don't have the time to design yourself and you need someone to design for you, I'm a freelancer designer. You can send me a message on Instagram and we can talk about it and work a solution out. Sorry. So this is a design I did myself. As you can see, I did all myself. Every aspect of this design I did myself. So now, and that's what I'm using. I'm going to be using this. For my design. You can also go to sites like Flat Icons if that's where you want to get your design. Go to sites like Flat Icons. This is it. Go to site like Flat Icon and you make your designs. You can and just scroll through and search for design, but always make sure when you use this site, you always give credit to the designers, and that's all you need. So now we just click on this once and now it has appeared here. So we just make it bigger, a little. So now that we have that, the next step is to download, and downloading it means we are done with the first stage. You see, it's super easy. It didn't take us much time. Because we already had the design. If you didn't have the design, creating from scratch would have taken you more time, but we already had the design, so it won't take us more time. So just click on download, and when we are done downloading, we move on to stage 2 of the design process. And that stage 2 is the part where you remove the white background, because as you can see with Canva, the free version, your designs don't come without a transparent background. It always comes with a white background. Like I'll show you now. Except you're on the pro version, then you can turn off the background and have your design without that. But if you don't want to pay for that, I'll show you a way you can do that. So now this is, you see our design, it has the white background. As you can see, it has the white border. So what I'm going to do is to right click and open with Photoshop. We are in stage 2 of the process, so one more step and you can click off if you feel like. So we just open it. As you can see now, it has the white background and we don't want that. We don't want that in our design. So what are we going to do? We're just going to hover our mouse to this edge, click on this folder paper that says create new layer, click on it, and click on layer 0. And now we move to the magic word tool. That's this magic stick you can see here. It says magic word, so you click on it and click on this white, and you just press your delete button. Once you press your delete button, you are left with just the design. So you can decide to increase it a bit if you want, or leave it like the way it is. So I'll show you the way to increase it. So I'll just do my Ctrl T, then I'll over my mouse to this edge and press down 3 buttons, my Alt key button, Shift key button, and my left mouse click button, and drag outwards to increase, drag inwards to reduce. So I'm dragging outwards to increase. Then I'll press enter, and then I'll save it as save as picture, smiley, then save it as PNG. Remember, you don't want to be the white background, so you want to save it as PNG. Then click on save. I already had it as you saw in the beginning, so I'm going to save it again. And now to step 3, stage 3. After this stage 3, you can decide to click off. It's all fine. You can decide to click off. As you can see, just those 2 stages are just taking us about 6 minutes to produce. Designs are not complicated, so I just want to use this medium. Before we move on to stage 3, I just want to say, if you've not subscribed and you're watching me for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on daily design inspiration. These designs are simple designs that sell, super easy designs. They are never complicated, simple designs that sell, and you'll be rest assured you make passive income. If you have about 100 to 150, 200, 300 designs, yes, it sounds too much at the beginning, but once you start to design, today you design 10 a day. You can't do that, because if you use, let's assume you use 15 minutes to design one and you design 10 a day, you are good to go. You are on track to make that 300 in no time. 300 to 1000 design, you are rest assured to make from $500 to 1000 and up to 6 figures. So don't miss that. So let's go to the final stage. So to go to the final stage, we go to pictures, and this is the stage I love. So you go to mockup. As you all know from my videos, you know I use the Anga mockup, so I'll just click on that once to open the Anga mockup. As you can see, this was my design from yesterday, if you watched yesterday's video. So now I'll just click on where it says your design goes here. I'll click on that. That was my design, so I'll delete that design and I'll bring in our new design. So I'll go to picture and bring in our new design. This should be it. This is the new design, so I'll click on it. So I'll just drag it into this free space. It's called a layer. I'll just drag it. You can see it's quite big, and we don't want it that big, because if you save it now and you go save and go to your shirt, it's gonna be super big. As you can see, it's gonna be super big. I don't want it to be super big. You can as well still leave it the way it is though. Ctrl T, press on Ctrl T just to adjust the size. You can leave it the way it is if you're okay with it. So if you're okay with this size, or you make it smaller, I like to make it smaller, not extremely big. So I'll go back, do my Ctrl T and press and over my mouse to this edge, press down 3 buttons, my Alt key button, Shift key button, and left mouse click button, and just drag it inwards a little, and I'll press enter and I'll save it. So once it's done saved, as you can see, our design now is on our shirt. Our design is on our shirt, as you can see, it's on our shirt. So you see it. So now I'll just save this. If you want to know where I get my mockup from, just let me know in the comment and I'll definitely get back to you on that. So before I save it, I'd like to change the color of the shirt. So to do that, you see where it says shirt black, you just go over and change the color. Just change the color. Change the color. So I do think I'll just leave it at this. Now press, go to file, save as pictures. And save it as PNG. Now you can send it to your influencers. You find influencers on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, just general groups. Just make sure you have a reliable following and a good engagement rate, and bargain price with them to promote your shirts. Once you make your first 5 to 10 sales, Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon will start to promote your designs automatically, and you make passive income. You make money doing it. So without wasting much of your time, I want you to click to your right. You see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists to get familiar with t-shirt design and the process of making good designs and make money on print on demand. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a lovely day. Bye.